Good morning students. So now we will start exercise 5.5. Our exercise 5.5 is based on the concept of prime factorization. So before learning the concept of prime factorization, first of all one concept is clear to you, that is prime numbers or prime factors. Prime numbers क्या होते हैं, मैंने आपको पिछली वीडियो में भी बताया था. The numbers that are only divisible on 1 or on that number itself. Like if I write number 2, 3. 2 is divisible on 1 and on 2. मतलब एक तो 1 पे and एक the number itself, that is 2. Similarly 3 भी किस किस पे divisible है, एक तो 1 पे और एक तो same number, that is 3 पे. ठीक है, so ये क्या हो गया हमारे पास prime number. Now what is prime factorization? To write prime factorization, let us suppose we have a number 18. Right? We have a number 18. If we write the prime factorization, we always start with the prime numbers. So, first of all you write 2 here. Right? 2 is a prime number ना. 2 के टेबल पे 18 कहाँ पे आता है? 9. Right? So these are also the factors of 18, 2 and 9. Now 2 is prime number, leave it. 9 is prime number? No. So we again factorize it. 9 किसके टेबल पे आता है? 3 के टेबल पे. 3 3s are 9. Now these numbers, the bottom line numbers that are 2, 3 and 3. These all are prime numbers. So prime factorization of 18 is 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. You only have to write the below numbers or the baseline numbers. Let us take another example. Let's suppose we have 12. So factorize 12. First of all take the prime number 2. 2 के टेबल पे 12 divisible है ना, write down 2. 2 के टेबल पे 12 आता कहाँ पे है? 6 पे. Now 2 is prime but 6 is not prime number because there are 3 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors of 6. Now factorize 6. 2 into 3. 2 multiply 3 is 6. So the prime factorization of 12 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Clear? Now we will do exercise 5.5. So A part is complete each factor tree. Now what we have to do is, first part is the number is 16. The number is 16. So first of all we divide it in. First of all we check that 16 is divisible on 1. Yes, but 1 is not prime number. Then 2. 2 is a prime number. 2 8s are 16. Now we got a prime number that is 2. It means आगे हमें इसको differentiate नहीं करना. Next number is 8. 8 is also divisible on 2. 2 4s are 8. Right? Clear? Now 2 is a prime number but 4 is not a prime number. Now again segregate the number 4. 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. So the final prime factorization is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. So you will write the prime factorization of 16 is, clear? In this prime factorization, sorry the board is not visible. Prime factorization of 16 is 2 into 2 into 2. Right? In the prime factorization, all the numbers you finally get are the prime numbers. Clear everyone? Similarly, second part try by yourself. Third part is 25. Third part is 25. Now 25 is divisible on 2? No. On 3? No. On 4? No. On 5. 5 5s are 25. Now is there any need to differentiate? No, because these are prime numbers. 5 is also prime number and 5 is again a prime number. So no need to differentiate further. So this is the prime factorization of 25 is 5 multiply 5. Clear? Fourth part is 24. Now 24 is divisible on 2. As 2 is a prime number, write down 2 here. 2 multiply 12. अभी 2 हमारे पास प्राइम नंबर आ गया, बट 12 इज नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर, सो इसको आगे डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे. ऑन द टेबल ऑफ 2, 6. 2 is again prime number, but 6 is not prime number. So again differentiate. What we will get? 2 and 3. So the final prime factorization of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 multiply 3. Clear everyone? Now the B part. Find the prime factorization of each number by the factor tree method. So the factor tree method is the same method as we done in the A part. So first of all the number is 96. 96 को first of all check that it is divisible on 2. Yes, it is divisible on 2. Now you will check 2 के टेबल में 96 कहाँ पे आता है? कहाँ पे आएगा चेक करके? 48 पे. Now 2 is prime number, but segregate 48. On the table of 2, 48 is divisible on 24. Again 2, no need. Here 2, 12. 2 12s are 24. Now no need to differentiate 2. Differentiate 12. 2 6 are 12. Right? Now आगे 6 को डिफरेंशिएट करोगे. 6 को डिफरेंशिएट कैसे करोगे? 2 into 3. So at the end the final prime factorization is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 2 multiply 3. That is your final prime factorization. Clear? Now let's take third part. Second part try by yourself. Third part is 51. Now 51 is divisible on 2? No. The next prime number on which 51 is divisible is 3. Clear? 3 के टेबल पे 51 कहाँ पे आता है? 17. Right? So you will write 17 here. Now check, इनको आगे डिफरेंशिएट किया जा सकता है? No. Because 3 is also prime number and 17 is also prime number. क्योंकि कोई भी ऐसा नंबर नहीं है जिसपे 17 divisible हो except the numbers 1 and 17. So the prime factorization of 51 is 3 multiply 17. Clear? Now I am doing the sixth part. Sixth part is 56. So 56 is divisible on 2? Yes. Write down 2. 2 28s are 56. You can also check by the help of division here. Now 14. Clear? जैसे जैसे 2 के टेबल पे डिवाइड होता जाएगा ना, वैसे वैसे इसको कंटिन्यू करते जाओ. अगर 2 के टेबल पे लेट्स सपोज यहाँ पे 27 होता, अभी 27 इज नॉट डिविजिबल ऑन 2, व्हाट यू विल राइट? 3. 3 के टेबल पे 27 इज डिविजिबल ना, 3 9s are 27. Clear? 2 7. Now we will get 2 and 7. These both are prime numbers. 2 is also not divisible except 1 and 2, and 7 is also not divisible except 1 and 7. So the prime factorization of 56 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 7. आपको ये वाली वैल्यूज लेनी होती है, सिर्फ ये वाली एंड वाली, ये लेफ्ट वाली एंड द बॉटम लाइन. क्लियर? So the prime factorization of 56 is this value. Now let us take another part. Let us do ninth part, that is 81. Now 81 is divisible on 2? No. Is 81 is divisible on 3? Yes. On the table of 3, 81 is divisible on 27. You can check by division also. You can use this method to check that on which number 81 is divisible on 3. Right? Now 3 is prime number. No need to differentiate. But 27 is not a prime number because it is also divisible on 3, 9. There are more numbers than 1 and 27. So, is 27 is divisible on 2? No. 3? Yes. So, write down 3 here and 9. 3 9s are 27. Now in the left line and in the bottom line, all the numbers we got are prime numbers. So the prime factorization of 81 is 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Clear everyone? So this is factor tree method to find out the prime factorization of a given number. Hope the concept is clear. Now C part, find the prime factorization of each number by division method. पहले कौन सा मेथड करा था? फैक्टर ट्री मेथड. नाउ वी आर यूजिंग डिवीजन मेथड. सो डिवीजन मेथड में आपको क्या करना होता है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल राइट द गिवन नंबर दैट इज 72. नाउ यू हैव टू चेक ऑन विच नंबर, ऑन विच स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. 1 भी लेना क्योंकि 1 पे तो सेम ही आ जाएगा, 1 यहाँ पे 72 ही आ जाएगा. स्टार्ट विथ 2. 2 के टेबल पे 72 डिविजिबल? यस. You can check on which number 72 is divisible on 2. On 36. So write down 36 here. कैसे चेक करोगे? 2 36 are 72. Now 36 is again divisible on 2. 2 के टेबल पे 36 कहाँ पे आता है? 18 पे. 2 18s are 36. This is just a cross method to check your values. Now again 18 is divisible on 2. 2 के टेबल पे 18 कहाँ पे आता है? 9. 2 9s are 18. Now 2 के टेबल पे 9 आता है? No. The next prime number on which 9 is divisible is 3. 3 के टेबल पे 9 कहाँ पे आता है? 3 पे. 3 3s are 9. 3 के टेबल पे 3 on 1. You have to continue this process until you will get the number 1 at last. Clear? इसको आप चेक कैसे कर सकते हो? 2 36 are 72, 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. सिंपली आपको नंबर लिख के वो नंबर कहाँ पे डिविजिबल है वो वैल्यूज लिखते जाना है. सो एट द एंड द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 72 इज 2. ये वाले नंबर लिख दो सारे. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Clear? Now let us take another example. Let us do third part, that is 56. 2 के टेबल पे 56 is divisible on which value? 28. You can also check by division method. 2 28s are 56. Again 28 divisible is on 2 14 because 2 14s are 28. Again 14 is divisible on 2. 2 7s are 14. Now 7 is divisible on 2? No. On 3? No. On 5? No. मैंने 4 क्यों नहीं चेक करा? Because 4 prime number नहीं है. It is divisible on 7 itself. So the prime factorization of the number 56 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 7. Clear? Let us take sixth part, 40. Start with 2. 2 के टेबल पे 40 कहाँ पे आता है? 20. 2 के टेबल पे 20 on 10. 2 के टेबल पे 10 is on 5. Now अभी 2 के टेबल पे 5 तो आता नहीं है. 5 comes on the table of 5. So the prime factorization of number 40 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5. At the end you will write prime factorization of 40 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5. Clear? Let us take one more part. Ninth part, 60. The rest parts you have to solve by your own, for your own practice, right? Now the ninth part is 60. So first of all we will check on the table of 2. Yes, it is divisible. On 30, again 2. On 15. Now 15 2 के टेबल पे नहीं आता, so we will check the number 3. 3 के टेबल पे 15 is divisible. Where? 5. Now 5 is divisible on 5. So the prime factorization of number 90 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. Clear everyone? So these are two methods how we will find out the prime factorization of any given number. One method is factor tree method and the second method is division method. Clear? Hope the concept of prime factorization is clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group. So have a nice day. Thank you.